Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Stryker SR-655HP version 2 tune-up report for Jerry in Ohio. Jerry got it ready to go, our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade. We're going to throw the coax and a static 636 mic in there. Now, the coax you wanted, let me grab that real quick. Alright, you call it the pull-through ends. It's got the connector that comes off so you can snake it through the mirror and then put it back on. So we got that, going to send that out to you. And your SR-10 trucker antenna, okay? These will come two separate packages, Jerry. Jerry, let's get right to it. I won't bore you with all the specifics. 50 watt slug, RF power all the way down. 2 watts. In case you decide to run like a 4-pill or something. 20 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 1 2. Hello, audio. 1 2 1 2 audio. And lift that talk back on as I was playing with it a little bit. Can't beat a Stryker talkback. That was 35 bird or so. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. 80 watts PEP. I'll take and roll it all the way down. Hello, 1 2. Hello, 1 2 3 4 5. Still 80 watts. And I don't show FM much, but a lot of people are getting into FM, so I'll just show you. It's all the way down. You know, it's 2 watts. I'll roll it up. It's almost 50 watts. Okay, 12 o'clock. That's a good safe range there. About 15 watts or so. All right, Jerry, we're gonna get this up to you, bud. I appreciate you. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bye bye.